In today's video, we're going to take a look at APC on the daily chart. You can see that price is clearly above the 200 simple moving average. It is actually back above the 50, so that's positive. I like the fact that we have a bigger picture pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And we're seeing a nice symmetrical pullback. So what I want to do with that is set it up for another possible buy entry, because you'll see that a lot of these swings will tend to be similar, and after these swings are over, you typically see a rally. So let me show you that I actually have multiple price relationships that come in all the way down to the 68.04 area. But as far as the immediate trade setup, I'm just going to focus on this area here, 69.97 to 70.25. Now that includes a 100% projection of a prior decline. It includes a 618 retracement of a prior swing and a 1272 extension of another swing. So that's a cluster right there, the minimum of 3 price relationships. And we're starting to see at least some short-term buy triggers against it. So this is the way I'm going to look at it. You know, I think that you can look at, whatever, a vertical spread if you want. Some people will do outright calls. Some people will buy the outright stock, as long as price continues to hold above this 69.97 area. Okay, so you can take, I'm going to take a trigger here against this support, and I'm going to define my risk underneath 69.97. Even though there are other supports below the market, we just don't know if those will hold. But we're just going to use this as definition of risk. Know that it has triggered, at least on a short-term chart. I know it's triggered on a 15-minute chart. It's also triggered on a 5-minute chart. The only place it has not yet triggered is a 30-minute chart. Has not fired off a trigger yet. But we do have enough reason to consider the buy side here. And if this support ends up being more important, the potential upside target that we typically look for is the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So this is the swing into the zone. This would be the 1272 extension as a possible target. Risk definition is under here. And, let's see if it starts to play out. If it does, then you can start to trail stops as you go. If it doesn't, make sure you have your stop underneath the zone.